Welcome to the channel, you lot. Today we're stepping into the bloody arena of convection toaster oven air fryers. These aren't just some pathetic, greasy deep fryers, mind you. We're talking about versatile machines that can roast, bake, broil, and yes, even air fry your food to crispy perfection. We'll be putting 3 contenders through their paces: the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, the Cuisinart A60, and the Ninja Foodie Digital Air Fry Oven. Each of these machines comes with its own set of strengths and weaknesses, so pay close attention. This isn't some amateur bake-off. This is about finding the air fryer that deserves a place in your kitchen. So, let's get this cooking. First up, we've got the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, a true marvel of modern kitchen technology. This isn't just any ordinary appliance, it's a game changer for anyone who loves to cook or entertain. And let me tell you, this thing is a bloody tank. It's built like a fortress, designed to handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this oven is ready to meet your culinary challenges head-on. It's bigger than the other two, like a rugby player trying to squeeze into a smart car. But don't let its size intimidate you. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is designed to maximize your kitchen's potential, offering a range of features that make it worth every inch of counter space it occupies. But don't let the size fool you, this is a precision instrument. 13 cooking functions, 13. From roasting to baking, toasting to air frying, this oven does it all. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your kitchen, but on a much grander scale. This thing can roast a chicken, bake a cake, toast your bread, and do it all with the finesse of a professional chef. Imagine the possibilities: perfectly roasted meats, golden brown baked goods, and crispy delicious snacks, all from one appliance. And air fry your chips to perfection, giving you that satisfying crunch without the guilt of deep frying. It's a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods, and it does it all without breaking a sweat. It's like having a bloody Michelin star chef built into your countertop. The versatility and efficiency of this oven are truly remarkable. You can prepare multiple dishes at once, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. And the Element IQ technology? Don't even get me started. This isn't some cheap gimmick, it's bloody brilliant. It uses smart algorithms to steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment. The Element IQ technology ensures that your food is cooked evenly and to perfection every time. It uses PID temperature control to adjust the heat throughout the cooking process, ensuring even cooking and perfect results every time. No more hot spots or undercooked meals. This isn't just about convenience, it's about elevating your cooking game. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting a whole chicken, or air frying a batch of chips, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro delivers consistent, high-quality results. You can fit a whole chicken in this thing, or a dozen cookies, or enough chips to feed a bloody army. It's perfect for families or anyone who likes to entertain. The spacious interior and multiple cooking functions make it a versatile addition to any kitchen. And the LCD display is clear, concise, and easy to use even for a donkey. The intuitive interface makes it simple to select the right cooking function and adjust settings as needed. It's user-friendly and designed to make your cooking experience as smooth as possible. But, and there's always a bloody but, isn't there? The Breville is the most expensive of the bunch. It's an investment, no doubt about it. But for what it offers, it's worth every penny. And its size might be a bit much for smaller kitchens. If you're tight on space, you might need to do some rearranging to make room for this beast. But if you've got the space and the budget, this is the Rolls-Royce of air fryers. It's a premium product designed for those who demand the best. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is more than just an appliance, it's a statement piece for your kitchen. It combines style, functionality, and performance in a way that few other appliances can match. So, if you're serious about your cooking and want an appliance that can keep up with your culinary ambitions, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the way to go. It's an overachiever in every sense of the word, and it will elevate your kitchen game to new heights. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is not just an appliance, it's an investment in your culinary future. With its advanced features, robust build, and exceptional performance, it's a kitchen companion that will serve you well for years to come. So, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, and you have the space and budget to accommodate it, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the ultimate choice. It's a powerhouse of an appliance that will make your kitchen the envy of all your friends and family. In conclusion, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the Rolls-Royce of air fryers. It's perfect for families, entertainers, and anyone who loves to cook. With its advanced technology, versatile cooking functions, and user-friendly design, It's a must-have for any serious home chef. Next up, we've got the Cuisinart 2A60, a compact yet powerful air fryer that has been making waves in the kitchen appliance world. And let me tell you, this little fella is a real contender. Despite its unassuming appearance, it packs quite a punch when it comes to performance. It's not as flashy as the Breville, but it gets the job done. The Cuisinart TOA60 is all about functionality and efficiency, without any unnecessary bells and whistles. This is a no-nonsense air fryer, perfect for anyone who wants simplicity and affordability. Its straightforward design makes it incredibly user-friendly. It's easy to use, even for a complete cooking novice. You don't need to be a seasoned chef to whip up delicious meals with this appliance. You won't need a bloody culinary degree to figure this one out. The controls are intuitive, and the learning curve is practically non-existent. The Cuisinart is also the most compact of the three, which is great if you're short on counter space. Its small footprint means it can fit into even the tiniest of kitchens. It's like a Mini Cooper, small but mighty. Don't let its size fool you. This air fryer can handle a surprising amount of food. And it's surprisingly spacious inside, enough to cook for a small family or a couple of hungry mates. You can easily prepare a variety of dishes from crispy fries to juicy chicken wings. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, the Cuisinart does have its limitations. It's not perfect, but it offers great value for its price. The capacity is smaller than the Breville, and the heat distribution can be a bit inconsistent at times. You might need to rotate your food halfway through cooking to ensure even results. But for the price, it's a bloody steal. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use air fryer, the Cuisinart TOA60 is definitely worth considering. It may not be the flashiest option out there, but it certainly holds its own in the kitchen. Another great feature of the Cuisinart TOA60 is how easy it is to clean. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing and soaking for hours. Plus, it comes with a variety of cooking settings, allowing you to air fry, bake, broil, and toast. This versatility means you can use it for a wide range of recipes, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. So whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or a group of friends, the Cuisinart TOA60 has got you covered. It's a dependable, budget-friendly option that delivers delicious results every time. Finally, we've got the Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven, and this thing is a right space saver. In today's world where kitchen space is often at a premium, having an appliance that can do multiple tasks while taking up minimal counter space is a game changer. The Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven is designed with this very concept in mind. It's sleek, compact, and incredibly efficient, making it a must-have for modern kitchens. It's like a transformer, folding up neatly when not in use. Imagine the convenience of having an appliance that can be tucked away effortlessly, freeing up your counter space for other activities. Whether you're preparing a large meal or just need extra space for your culinary adventures, the Ninja Foodi has got you covered. Its innovative design ensures that it doesn't become an eyesore in your kitchen. Perfect for small kitchens or anyone who likes to keep their counters clear. If you live in an apartment or have a kitchen with limited space, you know the struggle of finding room for all your gadgets. The Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven is a breath of fresh air in such scenarios. It allows you to maintain a clutter-free environment without compromising on functionality. Plus, its modern aesthetic blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. And don't let the compact size fool you, this Ninja can cook. Despite its small footprint, the Ninja Foodi packs a punch when it comes to performance. It heats up quickly and cooks food evenly, ensuring that your meals are always delicious. From crispy fries to perfectly roasted vegetables, this appliance can handle it all. It's like having a professional chef right in your kitchen. It's got a smart flip-up feature that allows you to air fry, roast, bake, and broil all in one appliance. This versatility is what sets the Ninja Foodi apart from other kitchen gadgets. You no longer need separate appliances for different cooking methods. Whether you're in the mood for a baked dessert or a savory roast, the Ninja Foodi can do it all. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your kitchen. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your kitchen. The Ninja Foodi is designed to be your go-to appliance for a variety of cooking needs. Its multifunctionality means you can streamline your kitchen setup, reducing the need for multiple devices. This not only saves space but also makes cooking more enjoyable and less stressful. The Ninja also boasts even heat distribution, thanks to its unique design and powerful fan. This ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time. No more worrying about uneven cooking or hot spots. The powerful fan circulates hot air evenly throughout the oven, giving you consistent results with every use. It's a feature that truly elevates your cooking experience. Your food will cook evenly and consistently every single time. Whether you're air frying, baking, or roasting, you can trust the Ninja Foodi to deliver excellent results. This reliability is what makes it a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs alike. It's an appliance that you can depend on, meal after meal. No more burnt edges or raw centers, just perfect results. The precision of the Ninja Foodi ensures that your food is cooked just the way you like it. Whether you're making a quick snack or preparing a gourmet meal, you can achieve restaurant-quality results at home. It's a level of control and consistency that transforms your cooking. But, and there's always a bloody but, the Ninja does have a smaller capacity than the Breville. If you're cooking for a large family or hosting a dinner party, you might find the Ninja's capacity a bit limiting. However, for everyday use in smaller households, it's more than adequate. It's a trade-off between size and versatility, and for many the benefits far outweigh the limitations. And that fan can get a bit noisy, like a jet engine taking off. While the powerful fan is great for even cooking, it does come with the downside of noise. If you're sensitive to sound or prefer a quieter kitchen environment, this might be a consideration. However, many users find that the performance and results are worth the occasional noise. But if you're looking for a versatile and compact air fryer, the Ninja Foodi is a solid choice. Its combination of functionality, design, and performance makes it a standout in the crowded market of kitchen appliances. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven is sure to become an indispensable part of your kitchen arsenal. So, there you have it, you lot. 3 top-of-the-line convection toaster oven air fryers, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Which one comes out on top? Well, that's up to you to decide. Consider your needs, your budget, and your kitchen space. Do you need a workhorse like the Breville, a bargain like the Cuisinart, or a space-saving marvel like the Ninja? No matter which one you choose, I guarantee you'll be cooking up a storm in no time. Now get out of my kitchen.